Right here I have this storage case from Full Case, and this is going to be a battery holder. This holds up to 72 batteries, and it's going to mainly hold the AA's and the AAA's. So we have a couple here that we're going to test out here in just a moment. Overall, I just want to take a look at the case. So this is going to be the grayish black model, and it does have a really nice lock on it and a handle. So you can grab this very easily, transport it wherever you need. So all you have to do is just take out the foam. It's all going to be pre-cut, and then you can just put the batteries right in there. So they can stick all the way down and definitely goes below the lid, so you're not going to have a problem. And then we just pull out the AA's. I like this kit because these are the two most common batteries that you're going to have in your house or use for like a remote or any kind of toys or any electronics. So the fact that it can hold all these is pretty awesome. But 72 in total, that's going to be 32 AA batteries and then 40 AAA batteries in total. So you can really fill this whole thing out, and it's just nice to keep it all in one place, really quick and easy, so you don't have to lose your batteries and they can just be very organized. It holds it really well, so they're not gonna move around. And overall, I really like this. They got a ton of other colors to check out. This would make a perfect gift for Christmas, birthday, or just to have in your garage to organize all of your batteries. Add this to your cart today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.